Okay, Toyota Vellfire, Toyota Alphard 2015 onward. So this video for Toyota Vellfire 2017. Install for Cogoo CG-V095AD 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player with OEM casing, good fitting, and OEM socket plug and play. So 10.1 inch. Okay, connect with Convex 2D Darkview 360 birdview camera. So this is reverse view, reverse camera. So when turn to P or N or D, will auto switch to front cam. Okay, full menu. Okay, equalizer. So 12 band equalizer adjustment. Okay, video input, RCA video input. So player for video input and video output connection. It's got a Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth calling, and click for the music for Bluetooth music. Steering wheel control. So you can do the setting for steering wheel. Okay, you have to log in the Gmail to download app from Play Store or download app from Apple.de. Setting. Android player, turn on Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet. Okay, 2 GB RAM with 16 GB storage. Android device, Android 8.1. It's got a 2 USB slot, one in the front USB, and two SD card, and 2 USB extension will put in a drawer. So total got 3 USB slot and 2 SD card slot. So you can download Waze, YouTube, Spotify. So Cloud TV to watch internet TV. Okay, easy connect for mirror link function. Selected car model. Car setting. Okay, you can select your language. File manage. So you can do your file setting from your storage, copy to pen drive. Okay, back to home. Got a radio.
National just yet. Meanwhile, Chelsea says
okay. So for Android player, you have to clear apps. You can clear it one by one or clear all. Music file. Okay. So Bluetooth. So this for the Bluetooth music. Okay, so this is Cogoo 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player CG-V095AD for Toyota Vellfire and Toyota Alphard 2015 onward with Convex 2D Darkview 360 camera, birdview camera. Okay, OEM casing, full set with